My name is Valeria. I am 25 years old. My favorite color is red. My birthday is in December. This is my friend. His name is Mariangeli. She is 30 years old. She is tall and thin. She have long hair. This is my mom. His name is Anmari. She is 40 years old. She is a lawyer. This is my sister. His name is Carol. She is 14 years old. She is an architect. This is my house. My house is color white. My house is small. My house has a living room, a kitchen, a utility room, a bedroom, a bathroom, a balcony, a garage. Thank you.